If you're underneath the industry benchmark revenue per coworker, it could signal a couple of problems in your business. Hey Titans, let's visit about revenue per coworker. What does that mean and why you should be measuring it in your business? So, if you took all of the revenue earned and divided it by the total number of employees, including part-time employees, even yourself as the owner, you would get a revenue per coworker. Now, this number can be pretty insightful, but it also varies depending on your business mix, maybe your geographic area. But the important thing is to start measuring it, because here's what we know. We know that what gets measured and recognized gets improved and repeated. So think about this. The industry benchmark is $170,000 per coworker. Now, you may hear that number, it may not mean nothing to you. It may seem high, it may seem low. Once you start measuring, at least you'll be able to compare and then take action on improving. Because here's what it could mean. If you're underneath the industry benchmark revenue per coworker, it could signal a couple of problems in your business. Like one, it could mean, man, we may be overstaffed. So we may have way too many people. We may have a lot of people in the office that, or too many in the field. We don't know. We just have a lot of employees and we're not generating that much revenue. We might need some training on how to up our sales. A lot of different things could go into it. It also could mean maybe we're really inefficient. Maybe we're just not utilizing the labor like we need to. Now, if it's low and you know that it's low on purpose, like, hey, I know that we have extra people on the team, but we're training them because we know that we're growing so fast, we're gonna need them tomorrow or next year. That's perfectly okay. That's the beauty of measuring this and understanding what this number means. Now, if that number is way high, everyone thinks, oh, that's awesome. It could be. It could mean you're really efficient. You're really good at upsells. All of these different things that would make that number higher. Maybe your business mix has a lot of replacement systems in it if you're in HVAC, and that's great. The key is let's measure it and see how it stays. But it also could indicate, whoa, we may need to hire. We may be understaffed. We may be really pushing our team and could be facing a burnout. So that's why this number is so important to measure. And you know what? We found at ServiceTitan, though, something very interesting. We took and measured all of the company's revenue per office employee, because we knew that ServiceTitan makes people a lot more efficient. And what we found was startling. It really was. We found that those with the higher Titan scores actually had 27% more revenue per office coworker than those with the lower scores. Wow. Take, for example, Lee's Air. Tom Howard, our VP of Customer Experience, his company, their revenue per coworker is over $240,000 per employee. That's amazing. It's crazy. But he's done it because he's very efficient with ServiceTitan. He also is in a good market there where he's really maximized all his efficiency. His pricing is right. But the important thing is, let's measure it, because we know what gets measured and recognized gets improved and repeated.